Coloured bike lanes show space that is reserved for bicycle riders. They also remind drivers to look for riders when they are turning or entering and leaving driveways. However, not all bike lane surfaces are the same. The one on the left is made from paint-based products. That means its colour and texture won't last as long. Its texture wears down more quickly from vehicle traffic. That will affect its ability to reduce skidding and sliding. It can become slippery for drivers and riders if not replaced. As its colour wears off, drivers are less likely to notice the lane. Using rates and taxes, road managers need to repair it and reapply it more often, if they have the money that is. The one on the right is made from a unique binding system that uses Australian recycled glass. It's called OmniGrip CST. It lasts longer than paint-based products. In comparable heavy traffic, it can last about 4 times longer. It maintains its texture for longer. It retains its colour for longer. It's been in use for many years by some of Australia's most progressive councils. Why is this important? A durable textured surface reduces slips and falls by riders, particularly when the road is wet. Texture reduces the risk of cars and motorcycles skidding and sliding when they brake on it or turn across it. It reduces the risk of pedestrians slipping on it when they walk across the lane. Using a surface that is durable for colour and texture improves community safety, reduces lifetime costs for road managers, and saves taxpayers money. That's your money. Insist that your council and state government uses OmniGrip CST. It is made by OmniGrip Direct, Australia's largest user of recycled Australian glass for specialist safety surfaces. Rider, driver and pedestrian safety depends on it.